Engineering and manufacturing companies today are under constant pressure to do more with less, delivering faster design cycles, improving product quality, reducing costs, and enabling seamless collaboration across teams. To meet these evolving demands, businesses need technology that is powerful, efficient, and easy to adopt. Introducing SolidPlus3D, an engineering technology company focused on delivering advanced CAD, PDM, and automation solutions for the product design and manufacturing industry. At SolidPlus3D, we develop customer-focused solutions tailored to real engineering challenges. With an intuitive user experience and faster onboarding, teams can adopt SolidPlus3D quickly and start improving productivity from day one. Our technology is designed to be cost-effective, scalable, and fully integrated, reducing dependency on multiple platforms while making advanced engineering tools more accessible to businesses of all sizes. Backed by continuous innovation, reliable performance, and premium customer support, today, customers trust SolidPlus3D as a dependable technology partner driving the future of engineering and manufacturing.
I'm Karthik from Venus Home Appliances, a water heater manufacturer. We have recently using SolidPlus 2024 Premium, a software for our product development activities.
From our experience, SolidPlus 2024 Premium has improved our design workflow. The interface is simple and our team was able to adapt quickly without much training. It helps us to complete our regular 3D modeling tasks effectively and with good accuracy. Overall, it supports our day-to-day product development activities effectively.
Thank you.
Design products faster with the powerful modeling capabilities of SolidPlus3D. Create precise solid parts and complex assemblies with an intuitive and easy-to-use workflow. From concept development to detailed product design, SolidPlus3D enables engineers to work efficiently with advanced parametric modeling, assembly management, and intelligent design tools. With a modern user experience and high-performance design environment, teams can accelerate product development while maintaining accuracy and flexibility throughout the design process. Generate manufacturing-ready 2D drawings quickly and accurately using advanced drafting tools. Automatically create balloons and bills of materials directly from assemblies, reducing manual work and improving documentation accuracy. SolidPlus3D helps engineering teams streamline detailing workflows and prepare production documentation faster with automated features like drawing views, automated dimensions, automated ballooning, and automated BO table. Build complex sheet metal components with dedicated tools for bends, flanges, form tools, and customizable manufacturing properties including K-factor management. SolidPlus3D simplifies sheet metal design while ensuring precision and manufacturability. Automatically generate flat patterns, bend tables, and production drawings for faster fabrication workflows. Reduce errors, save design time, and improve coordination between design and manufacturing teams. With StructPlus3D, engineers can rapidly create structural systems, using an extensive library of standard structural members and intelligent automation tools. Automated joint assemblies simplify complex structural connections, while automatic cut lists and bills of materials help accelerate project documentation and manufacturing preparation. StructPlus3D enables faster structural design with improved consistency and productivity. Validate product performance early in the design process using SolidPlus3D. Perform linear static finite element analysis to evaluate stress, displacement, and structural behavior before manufacturing. By integrating simulation directly into the design workflow, teams can reduce development costs, minimize redesigns, and build more reliable products. Manage engineering data efficiently with ProDat Plus. Securely organize CAD files, revisions, and project information while improving collaboration across teams. With centralized data management and controlled workflows, ProDat Plus helps businesses improve traceability, reduce errors, and streamline engineering operations. Share and review engineering data easily using View+3D. Enable better communication between engineering, manufacturing, customers, and suppliers with a lightweight viewing solution designed for efficient collaboration and design review workflows. From CAD design and structural engineering to simulation, data management, and collaboration, the SolidPlus3D ecosystem delivers a complete engineering solution for modern product development. SolidPlus3D, engineering the future of design and manufacturing.